Crazy thing going on my screen door lock. It recently just quit working, and this latch here would just fall right down and stay down. And now it's sprung back in where it works just like it used to. And I'll show you something else here. That when you open the door, it's still, you can still unlock it. But sometimes the lock will come out. Just like that. But you can push it back in there and this works again. So, I just wonder if anybody else had anything like that happen to them. Apparently, I was looking around for a new lock to put on it. I'd ordered one from Amazon, and it came in, and it wouldn't work on it. I think it was designed for a thicker door or something. So, and then all of a sudden this thing started working again. Unbelievable. I know. But it's happened to me. And just one of the weird things that always seemed to happen to me.